There. In this video, we will learn about introduction of MS Excel. In the corporate and the professional world, you require to know Excel. You need to understand Excel, how to create Excel file. Excel file is a database. It's just about creating a database via chart, via pie chart, or you just requires to create a statistics, a status. You just requires Excel, and MS Excel is a popular software which helps to do so. 30 years ago, MS Excel has been developed, and since then it having a great progress regarding the software. In this particular video, we will learn about the basics of MS Excel, that what Excel is, and the basics of what it's gonna be do. So we will learn about all that, that what is chart, what is pie chart, what is column, rows, formulas, which help you to create a statistics, a status, and an entire database of Excel. So MS Excel we will use 2007 as a basic one. We will learn about that. Although the latest versions have the same features, but we're going to start with 2007. Whatever important thing we will have, we will discuss in the later version as well. So we will go to our machine. We will learn about MS Excel. So let's go down to our system and have that MS Excel. So I'm as of now in our system. MS Excel is open in my system, and that this is how it looks like, and you're very much aware of it if you have already installed Microsoft Office in your system. This is how it looks like, and when you open that, in the top it shows bookmark Microsoft Excel. That is particularly, as of now, you are using the bookmark. So what exactly it is, it consider it known as a title bar. It means, for example, if you named it, it will show what document it is. At the left corner, you find quick access toolbar. Here you have lots of options where you can add in as an add-on, so that whatever options you use constantly, you can use that while creating a document or while creating a statistics. For example, I use some words, so I want a spelling there. So whenever it requires, I just do F7, or I just go and click on it. By default, you will get the undo option, redo option, as save option in access toolbar. So we just require that. As of now, just if you want to remove a spelling from the quick access toolbar, you can in your future as well. And the left top corner, we have Office button as well. From 2007, Office button is well known for this Microsoft Office, and it's also in the part of 2007. Now, for example, if you want to open a recent documents, you can open that already created documents. And for example, if it's too old, you can also use the open button. So as of now, you're able to see that there is a recent documents right there. Otherwise, open button is there for opening the old documents. This particular strip you're able to see, it's considered as building block tab. Now, building block tab have lots of options like clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, sales, and editing. Every option have the different uses. So for example, if you go to insert, there you find tables, illustrations, charts, links, and text, and then formulas, data, review, view. So building block tabs keep on changing. Now here you able to see that this particular have that this is what it used to be, the ribbon option. Now here is row and column. Now this particular main page is considered as a workbook, and in the workbook at the top you will able to see the strip, which is a white strip, is considered as formula bar. We will use this formula bar while adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, all these things. We will use that formula in near future, in near videos, but as of now we consider as formula bar and in the workbook. Now let's discuss the most important part, and that is the rows and columns of the workbook. Now this is what we consider as rows, which is in horizontal, and for example, if you want to know, this is what it is, column, which are vertical. Now rows are spread up to 10 lakh 448,576. It means 10 lakh 48,576 rows are available, and columns are 16,384. Now after column and rows, let's understand about name bar. Now this name bar is known of where you are as of now working. Now at which row you're sitting and which column you're sitting. For example, I'm sitting as of now in F column and 8 rows. So that's why it's named as F8. As of now, my current strip is F8. As of now, working at F8. So this is the name bar. This is how name bar comes. Column, F column, and at 8 row. So that is why it's known as F8. This is how we create. Now by default, 3 sheets were open at workbook. There were sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You want to work something on sheet 2, sheet 3, you can use those. Sheet 1 by default were open itself. You can use and perform whatever task you want to do. You also have that at right corner is a zoom button. At the zoom you can zoom in and zoom out. So the amount of size you want to see, you can use the zoom option. For example, you want this particular ribbon to be removed. You want a little bit space to be there for the Excel file. If you are very much expert with Excel, you need not require ribbon anymore. So you can minimize the ribbon and the space will be increased of your Excel file. Need not anything, you just can use the maximum of the space of your Excel file. I just bring the ribbon back because I'm just discussing about it. So this is what the basic of MS Excel. This is how MS Excel looks like. Now we're going to perform next video. We will try to understand the learning about MS Excel. Hope you learned something from this.